everyone, this is Akshat and today I'm talking about the self-education. Today's topic is self-education. So basically there are two types of education. The first education that we have got in our schools and second is we have got in our colleges and universities. But I'm just talking about the next level of education that we call it the self-education. So basically, what is the difference between the normal education and the self-education? So first is the category A is school and college education, and second category is personal. So the school and college education is that education that we've got in our school and college that you know, what is the importance of this type of education? So the category A, that is what is the college and school and college education. Category A education builds a discipline in ourselves that we used to learn in our schools and colleges. This type of education builds the knowledge about your particular the subject, whatever the stream you are having. So whatever you are studying, that you are studying something that particular for the point, and that is what is the like necessary for yourself. So this is what is the goal oriented. This is what is the job oriented and your career oriented. Whatever you want to become in your life, that is what is the way to reach out there. So now we are talking about the next type of education, that is category B education, that usually kept in the category B by all the people, by all community. That we call is the personal education. So how you got this personal education? What is the importance of this? So first of all, personal education you have got from the reading of the different types of different books of authors, irrespective of your course books. So when you used to study a course book, that for example you're studying literature, so you used to study different like writers. But when the personal education comes in the role, then at that time you used to study, you used to read different author of the book that practically based on the practical aspect of the life, the experiences of that authors of the life. So basically there was no exam, basically there was no like something like a syllabus that you need to complete in the particular time. You can read it on, and you can develop this personal education in yourself. So basically, what's the importance of this? When you used to reach in any type of business and any type of organization, or whether you want to become like a good employee or not, to be personal educated, because it develops a self confidence in yourself, that you can think out of the box. That is what is the necessary for today's world. So this is what is the education like. You have two choices. You have to study. At least what's the recommendation of the like top leaders of this world, that they recommended that upon you that you will study the school and college education, but you should study study the personal education. You should take the personal education for your for your personal growth and for your massive growth in your life, in your business, in your job, in your organization, whatever you are in the field. So this is what is the today's video. Hope you like the video. So like it, subscribe, share this video, comment down that what type of video do you want in the future, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.